Hello friends, today we will continue with the fraction chapter. We will do ascending order, descending order, addition and the subtraction of the fraction. Now let's start. Have the question arrange in ascending order, and you have given the fractions 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 4 upon 15 and 3 by 10. Then how you will do? Firstly, you will take the LCMs of the denominator, and I hope you came to know how you have to take the LCM. That is, I will show you one more time. That is, you will write them 3, 5, 15 and firstly you will see the which number goes on 2. If you are having any one number which is divisible by 2, then write it first only and write other number as it is, right? Then you know 2 5s are 10. Now on which smallest number it is divisible now? It goes on 3. So write it down. 3 1 is 3. Other numbers remain same, and you know 3 5s are 15. Now only we will left with 5, and we will know 5 is divisible by 5 only. So its LCM becomes 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 10, and I got 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Now what my aim is, why I have taken the LCM? So that I keep all my denominators same, right? I have to make my denominators same for each fraction. No, now what I should be multiplied, so I will get my denominator as 30. Yes, I will multiply 10 by 3, so I will get my LCM in the denominator. So you know, if you multiply 10 at the denominator, you have to multiply 10 with the numerator also. Okay, and you get 10 upon 30. Next, your fraction is 2 by 5. Now again, what you will do to make your fraction as 30? You will multiply it by 6, because you know 5 6 are 30. So if you have multiplied 6 with the denominator, so you have to multiply 6 with the numerator also. So, and you get 6 are 12. Right? And then again you are having 4 upon 15, and yes, tell me what you will get multiplied. You will multiply by 2 by numerator and denominator, and you get 8 upon 30. Right? Again you are left with 3 upon 2, 10, and with whom you multiply so that you can get your denominator as 30. Yes, it is 3. Now you can see you get 10 by 30, 12 by 30, 8 by 30, 9 by 30. Right? You get your denominator same. Now write it as 10 by 30, 12 by 30, 8 by 30 and 9 by 30. Now I have to make them in the ascending order. So it means I have to write the smallest first, and among them smallest is 8 by 30, and then 9 by 30, 10 by 30, 12 by 30, right? And now, which is 8 by 30? It is 4 upon 15, right? And then it comes 9 by 30. 9 by 30 is 3 by 10. And then 10 by 30. 10 by 30 is 1 upon 3. 12 by 30. 12 by 30 is 2 by 5. In this way, you get your ascending order like this. That is 4 upon 15, 3 upon 10, 1 by 3 and 2 by 5. In the similar way, you can do the descending order also. That is same pattern is this. That is, you have to take the first LCM, and then you will make your denominator same, and after getting the same denominator, you will manage them from the, if you are doing them from descending order, write the greatest order first. That is 12 by 30 is, you have to write the 12 by 30 first, then 10 by 30, 9 by 30, 8 by 30. And similarly, you will change your order for the above question. That is 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 3 by 10, 4 by 15 for the descending order. Now we will start how we add the fractions. Okay. Now here I am having 3 upon 13 plus 9 upon 13. How we add the fractions. Okay, now here I am having 3 upon 13 plus 9 upon 13 plus 2 upon 13. As you can see, I am having the same denominator in all the fractions, or it is a like fraction. Therefore, then my LCM will be same as the denominator. So in this case, my denominator becomes 13. And I will note it like this. And if my denominator is same, then I will write my above numerator as it is. That is, I will write 3 plus 9 plus 2 on my numerator. That is, I will get 3 plus 9 plus 2, and I will get my answer after adding them 14, and I will get my improper fraction, that is 14 upon 13. If you want to change them into the mixed fraction, you can. And after changing it into the mixed fraction, I will got 1 by 13. Now suppose if I am having a different denominators and I have to add the mixed fraction also. So how will I will do? I will firstly convert my mixed fraction into the improper fraction. And what this comes? 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 3 becomes 12. So I will get 12 upon 19. And what this becomes? 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34 upon 6. So I will get like this. And after that, what I will do? I am having different denominators now. So I will take the LCM. Keep one thing in mind, whenever you want to solve your fractions and you are having the different denominators, firstly you will have to make their denominators same by taking LCM. And after taking the LCM, I will get my LCM as 90. Okay, now what I will make next, I will take 12 upon 5 and make it denominator as, yes, what I have to make the denominator? I have to make the denominator 90. Now my LCM is 90, so I will make my denominator 90. So so I will multiply it by 18, because in 5 18s are, or 18 5s are 19. Now if I multiply denominator by 18, so I will multiply numerator by 12. Now if I multiply 18 with the denominator, so I have to multiply 18 with the numerator also. So I have to multiply 12 multiplied by 18. I have done the rough work there, and I will got my answer as 216. Now similarly I will solve the next, that is 12 upon 9. So again I have to make the 90 in the denominator. This is very simple. I have to multiply it with the 10. If I am multiplying it denominator with the 10, so I will multiply numerator also with the 10. And I will got my answer as 120. And next I am having 34 upon 6. Now again what I will multiply? I will multiply 15. Again with the numerator and denominator. 15 6 are 90, and 34 multiplied by 15, I will get my answer as 510. Now I will get 3 terms, that is 216 upon 90, then 510 upon 90. I have to add them, so I will put the sign of plus between them, 90, and I will get. Now I got the same denominators and it becomes the like fractions. Now what I will do, I will write 90 one time only in the denominator and add the numerator with the same digits, right? Now add them. On adding them, I will get 846 upon 90. And that is an improper fraction, and I have to convert it for the mixed fraction. I have shown the division here, that is 90. I keep my 90 as the denominator same, and then I will write quotient as the natural number, and I will write my remainder on the numerator. Now as you can see, I have to subtract the next question, that is I am having 12 upon 1 minus 4 3 upon 25 minus 1 4 upon 15. Now firstly what I will do, I will change my mixed fraction into the improper fraction, and I got 12 upon 1 minus 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. 100 plus 3 becomes 103 upon 25. Right? And similarly in the next term, that is 15 multiplied by 1 is 15, and 15 plus 4 becomes 19 upon 15. Now I got the improper fractions which I have to subtract. Now take the LCM of 25 and 15. Now take the LCM of the denominator, and as you can see on my board, after taking the LCM, I got my answer as 75. Now what I will do, I will take the first term first, and I want the denominator as 75. Now I will multiply it by 75, the denominator, and I got 12 multiplied by 75. I have solved on my rough work and I got 900. So my term becomes 900 upon 75. Now I pick my second term, that is 103 upon 25. Now what should I will multiply with the denominator so that I got 75. That is, I have to multiply 25 by 3. So I will got 3, and with the numerator also I will multiply it by 3. So, and I got 103 multiplied by 3 is 309. Right? Then again, next I will pick my 19 upon 15. Now what? I will multiply with the denominator and the numerator so that I get denominator in my answer. I will multiply it by 5. So 19 5s are 95. Right? Now what I get, 900 upon 75 minus 309 upon 75 minus 95 upon 75. Now I got the same denominator. I will write my fraction denominator one time, and I will write my numerator as it is, minus 95. Now you can do it in the two ways. Either you can do minus minus plus and then got the final answer and then subtract from it, or you can firstly subtract these two, and whatever the answer is, subtract the 95 from that. Now here what I have done, 900 minus, I firstly add them, and I got, because I know minus minus becomes plus, and after plussing them I will get 404. So I have to subtract 404 from 900, and on subtracting I will get 496 upon 75. This I got the improper fraction, and now I convert it into the mixed fraction. And on dividing 496 by 75, you can see my division on the board. I got 646 upon 75 as the mixed fraction. And I hope you can easily understand my topic of fractions. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you and have a good day.